The tuna fisheries of the Western and Central Pacific provide 3 million tonnes of tuna every year. It's responsible for up to 90% of many of the government incomes that pays for schools and pays for hospitals and pays for roads. Pacific provide over 50% of the world's tuna. And so as we look forward to the future in the face of issues like food security, climate change, the importance of livelihoods in this part of the world, what we need is a strong scientific backing. So as part of that, we have the Marine Specimen Bank. We look at trawls of micronectonic animals, small animals in the nectarine and the plankton, the identification of new species, the stomach contents of tuna that have been caught and sampled to see what they're eating. Is that changing through time? Are we seeing strong tipping point reactions in response to climatic events or climate change, increased temperatures? And so the science that the region undertakes is critical for this. Some of the kind of scientific and monitoring programs that the region undertakes includes things like the collection of biological samples for genetics, the tagging of animals to see how they move around and follow a subset of the population through time, so we might understand exactly how they're reacting to climate change or how they're changing to increased El Nino or La Nina. And it also includes the incorporation and trials of new technology to allow us to collect more and better data more easily throughout the fishery. All of these things are connected, and the science and monitoring programs allow us to constantly examine where we are and give us clues about exactly where we might be going into the future.